Greetings, Martin here. We're going to be looking at how we can insert bullet right in our Google Doc. Yes, very important. Some of you might not familiar with it and all of that. I'm going to guide you through it step by step so far. Right, as you can see, this itself is Google Doc. So I want to block everything right here. And then we're going to go up to the word format right here, format tab. You notice this is text, paragraph style, right here, align. Right there's a paragraph. You notice column is a bulletin right here. So you go to the left. You notice this is number and list. It's a bulletin list. You can come across. You can actually choose one of these. You notice this is the bulletin side. You don't like that one, you go back again. You're going to go across. Right. You want to choose. You notice just like that. You can do it again in case if you don't want that one. Right. You can actually select these right here so far. So this exactly is how we actually insert bullet right here in Google Doc. It's a very important. So just remember to share, like, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.